Hello friends, so today we will be learning how to fold origami cone. Now before we jump into tutorial, if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. So to make the origami cone, you are going to need two sheets of paper. The green one I will be using for the husk and the yellow one I will be using for the kernel. So let's start off with the husk. So for the husk, you have to take your green sheet of paper and then we are going to fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle and then unfold it. Now let's align this side to the vertical center crease that we just created. So you fold that diagonally, crease it in, do the same thing on the left side. Now let's do the exact same thing at the top. So I'm going to take this top right side, fold it diagonally, align it to the same vertical crease that we made it in the beginning. Do the same thing on the left side. And now let's fold the entire thing in half. Now let's open it up from this side and then fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Now I'm going to take this one on the right that's sticking out and I'm going to move it in the way over like this, crease that in. So that's how you make the husk. I'm going to put this aside and work on the kernel. So for the kernel, we need it to take the yellow sheet. We have to take entire thing and fold it in half. I already folded before. So here I take the bottom tip, fold it straight up, give that pinch and unfold it. Rotate and repeat the same thing on the other side. Fold it, give a pinch and unfold it. Now I'm going to take the bottom tip and fold it straight up to the first pinch fold that we made it earlier and then rotate it and repeat the same thing on the other side. So to take the tip, bring it to up to that first pinch, fold it, crease it in. Now let's fold the entire thing in half and unfold it. Then take this right side and fold it diagonally to the vertical crease. Do the same thing on the right side. So take this, fold it diagonally and align it to the center. Rotate and then take this and fold it diagonally to the center like this. Do the same thing on this side, crease that in. So now we have the main shape of kernel. I will take this corner and bring it slightly. So more you fold it, the skinny your kernel are going to be, and less you fold it, the fatter is going to be. Do the same thing over here, crease that in. I will take the gum and I will paste it here so that it will stick it perfectly. It will not open this corners. So when you flip it around, you have this long kernel. Now you just take the kernel and stick it into the husk like this. Now I will use the gum again. I will paste it here so this corner will not open. Here also I will use it. If you want to add some detailing, you can take the marker and draw a grid on the kernel and your origami corn is complete. I hope you enjoyed folding the origami corn. For more crafty fun videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on those notifications to be alerted of our new crafty fun videos when they come out. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.